Let's do 10 Swedish words, the organs of the body, part 2.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, ja.
Huden is the soft outer cover made up of tissue to protect the muscles, bones, ligaments, and internal organs. Your skelett is the supporting structure which protects internal organs and supports the human body. En muskel is a soft tissue where a contraction is made that changes both the length and the shape of the cell, which causes the ability for a variety of body movements. En nerve is an enclosed bundle of fiber sending signals, electrochemical nerve impulses from the brain to, for example, a muscle. Leder are the locations at which bones connect to allow for movements. Your magsäck is a muscular and hollow part of the digestive system which secretes protein-digesting enzymes to aid in the food digestion before sending it into the small intestines. Your mjelte acts primarily as a blood filter by removing old red blood cells and holds a reserve of blood as well as recycles iron. Your two njura are bean-shaped organs which functions as a removal of waste products of metabolism, regulation of electrolytes, and regulation of blood pressure. Your lever functions as a metabolism to break down various molecules where the rest leave the body through feces or is taken up by blood and purified a second time in the kidneys. The gallblåsa is a small organ where fluid from the liver is stored before released into the small intestine via the pancreas. Your binjura sits on top of your kidneys producing hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. The bukspottkörtel is an organ in the digestive system located behind the stomach secreting pancreatic juice that assists digestion and absorption of nutrients in the small intestine. Your tarmar are the tube system where food is transferred to digestive organs known as human gastrointestinal tract. Tunntarmen is where most of the digestion and absorption of food takes place. The average length is 6.9 meters for a male and 7.1 meters for a female. 12-fingertarmen is the first of the 3 parts of the small intestine where most chemical digestion takes place. Tjocktarmen is about 1.5 meters long and is the last part of the digestive system where water is absorbed and the remaining waste material is stored as feces before defecation. Blindtarmen is a pouch considered to be the beginning of the large intestine, but its function, at least for humans, have not yet been fully discovered. Urinblåsan is the organ that collects urine excreted by the kidneys before disposal by urination. The livmoder is a major female hormone-responsive reproductive sex organ. And sitting there are äggstockar, which are reproductive organs often found in pairs in the female. Usually ovulation occurs in one of the 2 ovaries at random, releasing a fertilizable egg each menstrual cycle. Testiklar is a component of both the reproductive and endocrine system. These produce sperm and testosterone, and most healthy males have 2 of them. And finally, the prostata, which is part of the male reproductive system, which secretes roughly 30% of the volume of the semen along with spermatozoa and seminal vesicle fluid. Thank you so much for watching this part 2 of the human body and the organs within. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, go ahead and have a look at that. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you the next time you click on one of my videos.